First, we start by grinding our coffee beans. You can use any coffee beans of your choice. French roast and Colombian are my favorites. You can use an electric one or the manual one, whichever you prefer. 14 to 20 grams. If you want it really strong, you could go 20 to 25 grams, up to 30 grams, but you don't want to go too crazy. You don't want to OD all caffeine. I use the KitchenAid one, electric, just easier. I put the grinds in the Aero Press. As you're doing this, you should be boiling some water on the side already. Or you can microwave 2 cups of water in the microwave for exactly 2.5 minutes. It should be the perfect temperature. After you boil the water, make sure you have a meat thermometer. It should be in between 170 degrees to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. No more, no less. I have mine exactly at 170.8. I like to keep it close to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we pour the water. Don't wait too long because you don't want the water to cool down. Now we let the coffee simmer in the hot water for roughly 1.5 to 2 minutes. Just let it sit there. Then we stir it with a spoon. Stir it for a good 30 seconds. We clean the filter with hot water to get that nasty paper taste out. Put on the filter. Put the cup upside down. Then we flip really fast. Bam! You don't want to press too hard. Go very slow and gently. You want the entire push to be about 30 seconds. As you get to the bottom, shake it up like you're taking a piss. And there you go.
AeroPress coffee with French organic roast coffee beans. Cheers. The Filipino Peter McKinnon.